we should take just a few minutes to talk about outdoor living spaces. Derek, you do such a nice job inside. High performance elements, really good design. But I think we ought to also give some thought to the outside design. We worked with Ground Effects, a great local company that does a wonderful job of landscaping. When I see the stones they brought in, again, that ledge rock quarry that matches, this again was Mark Rosen's concept of course we want to be enjoying the water, sitting out on the deck, and then big open space to the house itself. No beam, no column. That was a challenge for you.
It was. There's quite a large steel beam hidden in behind there, but it really it opened up the whole lake side of the house.
Right. And so we can hear the water, and then we can hear the crackling of the fire. We should go have a look. My good buddy Tex McLeod, who's probably the foremost authority on wood heating in Canada, always talks about the natural elements of water and fire and how you were saying you enjoy a fire.
I do. I really like it. We just got this, the first fire we've had in this fireplace. We still have a sill left to finish on here, but the first fire.
And this is called a Rumford fireplace. It was designed in England for narrow spaces, not throwing a ton of heat, but just a great look. So small fire, but drafts really, really well. So as much as we've got a great indoor environment, we have this really comfortable, usable space outside. You can imagine a party of our family, our combined family is 25, 30 people on our own. And so sitting out on the rocks, enjoying the fire, enjoying the summer season. So thanks very much for allowing us to create this beautiful space.
Thank you.
So Derek, we started the project just a little less than a year ago, and one of our first or second filming, we were actually on this deck during construction, and it was icy cold, the wind and so on, you may recall. But here we are in basically late November, and I wanted the folks to see the deck, and frankly to see the sunset. We kind of promised sunset. Well, it's late in the year, the sun's now going down basically over top of the island that you can see in the background. But this is what the family's so excited about, spending time on this beautiful deck. And I just wanted to take an opportunity to thank you so much. All your trades guys, when I think about your own guys, Mark and Bert and Gary and Maggie, all really good folks. And then your trades guys, wonderful partners. You must be just so proud to work with those guys every day.
Yeah, we have a lot of really good trade partners, employees, and the project went really well. It was a lot of fun to work with you guys.
Yeah, that's what I like the best, is they all are really open to the new ideas, new concepts. They're always showing me stuff. And I just appreciate the great work you've done. Hopefully we find the time to work together yet again. What we want to do, of course, in the spring when things open up a little bit, is have all those guys out. We'll have a nice party up here, serve a nice roast beef dinner.
Yeah, they'd really appreciate that.
Well, again, thanks very much, Derek. It's just been a pleasure. And thank you to those who've been watching in, looking in on our website at buildingknowledge.ca or constructioninstruction.com to see the progress of the Cooke family cottage. We just know it's going to be generations of our family that are going to be using and enjoying this great cottage, great house, if you will, up on the shores of Lake Huron in northern Ontario. Come up and join us at any point. Thanks very much.